So, you know, I am actually I am a social teacher. So already we seen what is it? Two lessons, lesson one and two. Now we are in the third lesson. Already we started the lesson. Okay. So what's the lesson name? Indus civilization. Okay. So civilization, very important civilization means four is there. One is Indus, one is Chinese, one is Mesopotamian, another one Egyptian civilization. In that we are going to see about Indus civilization alone in this lesson. Okay, what is that about Harappan urban civilization in 1856? In 1856, when the British people laid the railway line near to the Karachi, they got more evidence about the Indus civilization. So, but slightly after some days only, they started the research about the civilization in 1924 by the help of ASI. Okay, Archaeological Survey of India. Okay, so ASI. By that, we are getting more evidence about the Indus civilization, about the Mesopotamia, Mohenjo-daro, Great Bath, Granary, then trade and commerce, okay, good drainage system. These are all they followed in olden days itself, which you are following nowadays. With using technology, we are doing nowadays. But in olden days, without any technology, they followed these all. Okay, after the dancing hill, why you are mentioning here means is one of the statue which made by using the wax method, which we are preparing the candle now. In that way, that particular bronze statue was prepared. Okay, not only statue, that dancing hill, some other bit also, but importantly that one. Okay, for showing our architecture's evidence. Okay, then now we are going to see about the KVT. Okay, what is it? KVT means K means kotte, V means by manji, T means tondi. Okay, K means kotte, V means manji, T means tondi. So these are all the names of the harbor of the Sangamage in our Tamil Nadu. But with the same name, we have some places in Afghanistan, Pakistan in olden days. Nowadays we say Afghanistan, Pakistan, but in olden days, commonly it will be called as the Indus civilization only. So there we have more evidence for the name which we used in the particular area. Not only that, some of the river name like Kaveri, Kavery, we are using, their spelling will be different, but the pronunciation will be the same. So the name also related with our Tamil Nadu and the Indus civilizations. Okay, so that's a KVT complex. Some other detail also is available in your book. It's in the PDF, just check it. Then we are getting more evidence about the Indus civilization. How it's possible means by using the inscription means yes, but it's not. Why means inscription we are getting, but in that maximum of the information we can't understand. Okay, so that we are getting some other clue, some other idea, some other information from with some other evidence which you are getting from the particular place. When you are digging that particular place, we are getting more evidence. That's what for the archaeological department. No, so from with that particular department, help of that department, we are getting more data about the Indus civilization. What are the evidence means? First one, Appler. Nothing fabric which we are using, cloth, wearing cloth, no, that only. Okay, so they used cotton and another one woolen. These are the common fabric they used in the old days. They wear cloth by using which it was made by cotton and another one wool. To that evidence we have. Another one ornaments. Okay, ornaments, jewelries. So that thing was made by some costly stone, some what is it? Stones, these two, and some of the bronze also. Okay, these are all the metals they used for making the ornaments. Nowadays, gold, diamond, platinum, and silver. These four we are doing. But in olden days, precious stone they went, gold they went, bronze they went. Importantly, they given importance for this, and shells also. Okay, from the sea we are getting, from the ocean we are getting. No, that also they used to as a ornaments. Okay, then occupation. Not having more evidence for that particular occupation, but some of the evidence like agriculture, jewelry, uh, that's blacksmith, okay, goldsmith. Okay, these are all we have some evidence. But importantly, they given more importance for agriculture. We have some evidence for that. Okay. Then pottery, what is that? They have the habit to prepare a pottery. By the property only they use the particular property for storing the grains and preparing the food. Okay, they find the fire, then they find the wheel, then they by using that wheel and the fire they use to prepare the pot. That's a link between this fire, wheel, pot. Okay, so by that pot also we are getting some information. What kind of soils they use, inside one color, outside one color. So they used to paint also. These are all the evidence. Okay, so toy culture. Nowadays we are get some choice. What is it? Toys for the childrens for playing, no? So the same habit they follow in the olden days also, but the toys are not made by any plastic or something because on the day no that particular technology, that particular thing. So they went for clays. Clays are nowadays also if you see in some temples means small statues will be there like a cow, like a one of the ideal like a god. That kind of statues you can see in olden in some of the temple. The same they use that particular thing like a toy. So what is that? So they given the toy for the childrens. Their childrens are used to toys in the olden days. Some cart, bullock cart toys also. Okay. So next one, religious belief. What is that? Religious belief. Maxim is not that, but they prayed. What is that? Nature as a god, like a sun, wind, rain. These are ideal worship is not there. They not follow. Okay, and that's it about this hidden treasures. Next topic we're going to see about what happened to the Indus civilization, how it was declined, and how we calculating the year which it was digged into the earth before some 1000 2000 years before, but how we can find this all that topic next we're going to see. Okay.